Unlimited samgyeopsal for only 599 na merong beef, pork, and chicken. Kasama rin yung unlimited na cheesy scallops, smoked duck, and shrimp. And syempre, unlimited na rin yung melted cheese, side dishes, soup, rice, and sauces. Sobrang sulit at talagang satisfied yung samgyup cravings mo. This is Romantic Baboy at ito yung branch nila sa Dolores, San Fernando, Pampanga. At para naman dun sa mga hindi mahilig mag-unlimited, meron din silang a la carte orders. Meron tayong 549 na may 3 kinds of meat, perfect for 2 to 3 packs. At ito naman yung 899 na merong 5 kinds of meat, perfect for 4 to 5 packs. Ang sarap nung kanilang bone broth. Tapos etong onion dip yung bago sa mga sauces nila. And then ikaw na yung bahala kung anong klase ng meat yung gusto mo. Meron silang 12 different options. Meron silang thin and thick slices at syempre meron din ng plain and marinated. We always go for the plain meats in thin and thick slices. Tapos yung smoked duck, ang sarap niyan. Syempre yung enoki roll and then cheesy scallops. Don't forget the kimchi and pickled radish. Tapos maraming melted cheese. Ikaw, ano ba yung favorite mong kind of meat and side dishes pag nagsasamgyup ka? By the way, para naman dun sa mga hindi mahilig sa beef, meron din sila ng unlimited na plain and marinated pork with side dishes and cheese, and this is 499 naman. May kasama na tong service water, pero kung gusto mo mag-upgrade doon sa bottomless na juices nila, mag-a-add ka lang ng 99 pesos. O ano, kailan ka ba huling nag-unlimited samgyup?